a chance to get out the EB410.2 onto the track. Got some footage. I'll definitely show you what I'm running on the car before I show you the video of the track. For the run, I had these J Concepts Sprinter tires on there for the front and the back. The ones that are on there now are actually the Electrons from Proline. I'm going to try these out because the track conditions have changed, so I'm getting this set up for the next run. Of course, I have to clean this whole thing up. I did break off a couple fan fins, I guess from hitting whatever, maybe some rock scud in there. Either way, I'm missing 2 of the fan blades, but it still works. It still pumps cool air into the motor. I of course have the RSX ESC with a 7.5 Tekin Redline motor. This is with a 20 tooth pinion. On this run, I'm going to actually switch up, go to a 19 tooth pinion. I think I was getting some heat issues with the 20 tooth. There is the Tekin T130, and I ran on a 2S ProTech RC 4900 milliamp 2-cell battery. Alright, here's the footage. So overall, that was a great run. The only problem I really ran into was the spur gear gave out on me. This is a 48 pitch and 81 tooth spur. It did strip out on me. Not a big deal. I got extras, so I was able to swap it out. The only other problem I really had was this motor. The front plate actually popped off, so I put the screws back in using some Loctite. Since I've done that, I've had no issues. This car was getting pretty high up in the air. It was landing pretty hard. I guess I hit it hard enough to where I popped the darn can off. But other than that, that's it. It's the only issues I've really had. Suspension, everything else is solid. Again, really need to go through this thing, clean it up, check all my fluids, check the diffs. I will be doing that shortly, but just having fun, just goofing around. Now on this back wing, this thing is cracked up, so I might pick up another one of these. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed watching the video, watching the overview of this EB410.2. Hope you all have a great day. Hope everyone's being safe. Catch you all soon.